Hello, I'm Shyam Diwakar. I'm a professor at Amrita University in India, and I've been working on neuroscience as my research topic. I'm very happy to be part of the CIOMS meeting. We've been looking at clinical trials, clinical information, and how this information can be expressed in some of these scenarios. We are specifically asking the question, what should be different when it comes to data? And I'm very happy to see the RIBEF gathering and also the CIOMS working group meeting together asking us the same question. How does indigenous data change? I'm also grateful to Dr. Adrian Lorena and Eva Penas to have invited such a diverse group from Africa, Asia, and Latin America here in Europe to answer some of these questions. We hope that through this joint consensus or joint talks, we will understand what are the social cultural contexts, what we shouldn't miss, and how data can be diverse or data can be different when it comes to some of these critical messages that we want to pass on to people who do work on the field. And when it comes to drugs, how diverse drugs can be different for different populations. We are very specific. Amrita is a very socially connected university in India. We are working in we are based in 6 campuses, but we are working with 150 rural communities, looking at how these communities can sustainably grow and involve themselves in this project. I'm extremely happy that I'm part of here in Asamblea, Extremadura as part of this meeting. Thank you.